okie. Woo! Gotta take this off-road if I'm staying with the play. There's a small jump coming up.
This is Flight November 9 or Charlie Echo. Our engine number 2 is blown.
Roger, November 9 Charlie Echo. Fly S240. Say your souls on board.
The pilot's fighting it, but he's going down.
Good. Stay on it. We need the files.
Flight November 9 to Charlie Echo. Say your souls on board.
2 souls on board. Engine 2 totally lost. All hydraulics lost. All hydraulic systems are gone.
Roger, November 9 to Charlie Echo. Where are you putting it down?
We're not gonna make the runway. Gonna have to ditch this son of a bitch and hope for the best.
How you doing out there? Still got him?
I'm on him. He's past the airfield. Landing ain't gonna be pretty.
Where are you putting it down? Can you make the Alamo to the airfield?
Can't pull it round. Gonna have to put it down in the field somewhere.
Can't go round the train. Gotta go over it.
We have no hydraulic systems, no elevator control, very little aileron control. Serious doubts of making a landing strip. Needs a ditch.
Roger, November 9 to Charlie Echo. You lost your manual flight control system. Pull your slacks.
How's business, Ronald? Okay, this guy's going down any minute.
Good. Let's hope you don't take out some poor farmer while he's at it.
Only thing they farm out here is methamphetamine.
Ah, Trevor Phillips country.
God, I miss it out here. You gotta come visit sometime.
Yeah, you know what? I'm good.
Losing altitude rapidly. I'm going to have to bring it down in dirt. God help us.
Roger, November 9 to Charlie Echo. What is your status?
God help us.
They're in the dirt.
Good. Get the files, and if the cousin made it, take him out.
Sure thing, but seriously, bro, coming all the way out here, we gotta get paid.
Just do the job. I'll get us paid down the road.
I must have taken... Ow! It's a green light. Go!
How'd it go?
Fine, just fine. I got the files. I'll take them to Madrezzo and explain the human cost of this errand.
Oh, take it easy, man. Listen to me. We'll talk about that later. I want you to just drop off the files. I gotta get rid of this rifle, then we'll talk.